Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to use rear view references lines. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now let's find here and select the setup button. It's the last button from the right side. Then let's choose the vehicle. So if you open the vehicle, you've got access to vehicle settings. So that's what we need. Select here the parking safety. It's under the driver assistance. Choose parking safety and now you've got access to camera settings. As you can see here, you can enable the rear view reference lines. So as you can see, right now I've got this disabled. So now if I put my car into reverse, I see the clear view. But if I enable the rear view reference lines, the parking reference lines are shown in the camera's rear view display. Let me show you how it works. Let's enable this feature, put the car into reverse, and you see those lines. I think it's quite useful. I like to use them, especially when I'm parking in some narrow spaces, so I will keep it like that. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.